Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Sofia. I live in Hungary, which is a quite small country in the eastern part of Europe. I played the harp for almost 8 years and I have my Papfavi Janka harp for about 7 years now. That is the one you can see in the background. It was made by a Hungarian harp maker and I really love it. It was my first harp and it is a really lovely instrument with beautiful sound, but it is quite heavy to carry. It is almost like 9 kilograms. I play mostly in medieval festivals and yoga classes, sometimes in hospitals too, and I currently study at Harp for Healing to become a certified clinical musician, so I really needed a lightweight portable instrument which I can swiftly move around everywhere I go. So I searched a lot, and I mean a lot, for an affordable instrument, and after many months of searching and thinking and planning, I found the perfect one. I ordered it from Armenia. It was made by Jack Harps. This is his bigger harp model named Brona. It has 28 strings, but he makes smaller harps too with 16 and 26 strings, I guess, and many other folk instruments. I will put the link to his page to the description down below. I ordered it at the end of June and it was finished at early December and it arrived at the beginning of January. I'm really glad that it arrived safe and sound. It was packed very secure within a sturdy wooden frame and lots of styrofoam and other sponge-like stuff. As you can see, I was so excited to finally see it, and it is really beautiful. It has a very deep dark brown color and quite a rich sound for a little harp. It is fully levered and has a shadow pickup built in and 2 pins for straps. All the strings are nylon and it is around 4 kilograms. It came with a padded case, a set of extra strings, a tuning key, wooden legs and an adapter I can use for a different kind of metal legs to play while standing.